All right, so you're going to boil that macaroni until it's nice and tender, and then rinse it in cold water. And then you're going to assemble your dressing ingredients. So that's non-dairy sour cream, 2/3 of a cup, 1/3 a cup of non-dairy mayonnaise, oh yeah, get every last drop, 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, a tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, and what is that? Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that all together. And then you're going to add the remaining ingredients. So that was 8 ounces of cooked macaroni, 6 green onions sliced, a cup of frozen peas, half a cup of red bell pepper, and half a cup of chopped carrots, and 2 celery stalks chopped, and 3/4 cup of non-dairy cheddar cheese, there should also be 2 tablespoons of parsley, fresh parsley in there, and mix that all together. Mix it good. It looks like I got the parsley in there. And then you're just going to want to chill that before serving. And there you go. There is your vegan macaroni salad. Enjoy!